Hello. If you're facing any issues running apps in Swift Playgrounds, such as this thing you see on the screen, you might want to watch this video for a bit of a workaround so you can still build apps on Swift Playgrounds on iPad. I think the reason has something to do with Mobile Guardian and some restrictions about running apps, but I have no clue. Someone will solve this at some point, but for now, here's what we're going to do. What we are going to do is we are going to go create a new playground instead of app. So create new playground. And what this gives you is a blank playground for you to type to enter code. If you watched Unit 2, you will see that we use this to learn Swift. The great thing is you can actually use this to build apps as well with something called a live preview. Here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to head over to Safari and enter this into your URL, tk.sg/swiftpgtemplate. So I'm going to head over there and let's take a look at what you get. Here you go. This is what you should see on your screen. Once again, it's tk.sg/swiftpgtemplate. What I'd like you to do when you're there is to tap on the raw button and select all the text on screen. So you can just tap and hold and just select everything. You should press copy and head back to your Swift Playgrounds and paste it in. Okay. And now you have a way to get started running your app on Swift Playgrounds without the need for whatever permissions that the other mode requires. I'm going to tap on Run My Code and it will show you Hello World right here on the screen. Now, there are some caveats to this. This isn't going to behave exactly the same as in app mode. For one thing, the preview is this weird square size, which kind of depends on the device that you have, and you don't actually have a chance to resize it. So if you try and drag this, you have a choice of seeing it nonsensically wide, or you want to bring it back and tap on this little arrow, and you can see it back in half screen mode. So that's one thing. The other thing is, this actually isn't a live updating preview. So if you tap on this, it will change this to, hello, I am a banana. So let's say you're a banana and you type this in, you see on the right, full disappointment, it still says hello world. You actually have to manually go down and tap this button to say run my code before it updates. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's not as nice as in the app mode. Now, the last thing that you might need to know, especially if you're following our Unit 1 videos, is that if you want to add an image, it's not going to be the same process as well. Let me do a quick demo. How to insert an image into your SwiftUI app. And this is something that's going to be slightly different from what you see in our tutorial video in the app mode. To set things up, what you need to do is you need to go to the next line and type image, open bracket, and type this thing. Just watch out for capitalization, UI in lowercase, image with capital I, and press colon, and then stop here. Now, let's go send a photo into your app. Tap on the plus button, choose the middle tab. If you have already taken any photos, they might show up inside your playground, but let's just say you're starting from scratch. Choose take photo and flip over your iPad camera. Ooh, that's me. And when you're done, tap on use photo. And you're going to get this ridiculous little thumbnail inside your code. What this is actually an image literal. From here, if you tap run my code, it will actually bring up your image on the screen as before. And now you can see a disturbing close-up view of the hair on my face. So once again, you can do the same things. You can do it, make it resizable, and you can make it scaled to fit. And you can tap on run my code. With this, you should be able to do the name card app from Unit 1. If you have any questions, please let me know. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thanks everyone. See you soon. Bye.